Mosquito bite up my forehead. See it? I have a few mosquito bites. You see me? Then I enjoy the pandemic. Yo. So yeah. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of the most dirty fingered mechanic. So I'm on the job. Yeah, so we're fixing a Honda Fit. You see me? So I'm gonna show it right now after this. Just like giving a run through, 10 in the morning. You see me? Here we go. This is the car. Honda Fit. As you can see. Right now, they have this Honda. We're about to diagnose it. You know the thing, diagnosis. Fit. Yeah, I got to know about these Honda Fits, right? Nobody could clean the machine can. A bad spray job, still spray job could look better right here, but sure. You see me? We're out here. So yeah, I'm in the machine now, you know. Hard at work, you know the thing go. Yeah, I would say start the machine, you know.
What's the last one?
Yes. The tail. Can't let it down. So Fit is being let down. So we just started the 500 horsepower Honda Fit and we're driving it right now. As you can see, I'm in the car driving the Fit. So it has on no license plates, nothing. I'm just running it on the road because, you know, I just want to get it running properly, you know. Yeah, so really slow, you see. That's how we did 100 kilos. We're gonna try turn back now and do another 100 kilos, you know, and see what this Fit does when it reaches back. The thing is, to be honest, because we were going so stupendously fast, and we're gone again. Watch this idiot. So anyway, we're here beating the Fit again. We're at 100. We're at 120. This fucking Fit is flying, man. Ha! This fucking Fit is flying. We're doing it. Yeah. So we're scanning the Honda Fit right now. We're back to scanning and it has no powertrain DTCs or freeze frame data presently stored in the vehicle's computer. Okay, that's the DTC. Yeah, of course, it's a Honda Fit. We're checking the ABS. This has the car have a Honda Acura ABS right wheel sensor open circuit. Right wheel for the brake. Speed sensor open and shut.
Alright, when I think more ask you, is the brake too sharp? How much you touch it, are you want to tighten? I mean, you want to adjust. You feel like you want to adjust?
No, man, I just sitting there and go give me trouble. You know, see, just tell the set of a brake running, yeah. You have to ask it for the ABS, you know.
I don't find out, when I drive it, to find out, say, when I press the brake, I take a little while, it brake, kind of. Really, it won't, you know, but we want it was sharper than that, in case I say, you want it sharper than that, you understand?
Like it's a racing car, you want?
No racing car. My man run on speed, you know, cruise, you know, I will just a big clean, you know. Yeah, man.
I'm gonna tell the airbag, you know. Alright, so the car good otherwise. You see me? So we just check it, it's just the brake alone, the brake sensor alone. You see me? So you get a full run through when them Honda Fit. Just basically no codes, are just the brake bringing up a code, and we're going at the SRS section for that. I mean the ABS section for that, and found that out. So alright, you see me? It's a very technical process that needs understanding, so you have to bear with your, your engineer or your mechanic or your electrician, whosoever does this for you. Car never did a chuckle. Hook up a machine and get the car for chuckle, as you can see. There again, machine fixing on a chuckle up. See me? Just beat it out on the road, because you know, say it never did a start and them thing there. You see me? Car boss I'm there. Now taking it to the street. You know what I mean? Yeah, so so we just fixed this 500 horsepower Fit right here. And we're on the work same way. It has full Cusco, full Honda spoon, our V10 double overhead cam, all of that. It got everything in it. It got all the power, all the glory, You got everything inside of it. It's a good car, Yeah, you probably got a Fit too.